Did I make any sense, or
Yeah,
you're on a videotape his cough?
I am. I'm videotaping him right now. You okay, Jack? What's the matter?